Breaking into a new pair of heels can bring a great feeling, but after an hour or two, you may find your feet in agony. The first method involves placing your new high heels in the freezer. One of the most underrated methods for breaking in heels involves using the freezer overnight. It's pretty cool how it works. I'll admit, when I first heard about it from a friend, I couldn't help but laugh because it sounded so unusual to me. I mean, who would have thought of freezing shoes? So, here's the deal with this freezer bag method for breaking in heels. All you need are some sealable plastic bags like Ziploc bags and some water. You fill those bags with water and then slip them inside your new heels, focusing on the areas where they feel tight or need to stretch. After that, you put your heels into a cloth or plastic bag so they're separate from the rest of your freezer's contents. Now, the magic happens overnight in the freezer. Leave your heels in there while you catch your beauty sleep. When you wake up, take them out, let them thaw for a few minutes, and then try them. You'll be amazed at how much more comfortable you will feel in them. I vividly recall the day I bought a brand new pair of high heels, anticipating wearing them for a special event. To my dismay, wearing them right away led to discomfort and blisters. However, I confidently applied the freezer bag technique, which was expertly passed down to me by a trusted friend. I carefully filled 2 Ziploc bags with water and placed them inside my pristine heels. Then, I tucked the heels into a plastic bag and nestled them in the freezer before heading to bed. The following morning, I eagerly retrieved my heels from the freezer and allowed them to thaw for a few minutes. As I slipped them on, I was pleasantly surprised to find that they felt considerably more comfortable than before. With a confident stride, I made my way to the event, fully aware that my shoes were no longer a source of pain, but a stylish accessory that complemented my outfit perfectly. If you're looking to rock those new high heels without sacrificing comfort, here is method 2. Thick socks. This method may just be the solution you've been searching for. I typically use this method when I want to avoid the inconvenience of waiting for frozen heels to thaw the next day. It's very simple and budget-friendly, and you can do it right at home. Here's the deal. Just slide into your new heels while wearing socks and take them for a spin. You can wear them for a few hours straight, or try the 10-minute on and off approach throughout the day. The cool thing is that the extra padding from the socks kind of nudges those shoes to break in the heels faster. And here's a pro tip. If you really want to speed things up, double up on the socks. It works like a charm. I've been wearing high heels for several years, and I absolutely adore the way they make me feel and look. That's precisely why I started this channel, to connect with fellow high heel lovers who share the same passion. However, I can only achieve that connection if you subscribe to my channel and show some love by giving my videos a thumbs up, especially when you find them valuable. Your support means the world to me. Now, the next method is to blow dry your high heels. This method is simple, but it can be a little bit messy if not done correctly. A few months ago, I decided to try this method with a stunning pair of new heels that had been gifted to me by an old friend for my birthday. However, my excitement got the best of me, and I ended up holding the blow dryer too close to the heels for an extended period. Unfortunately, the intense heat ended up damaging the material of the heels, causing them to lose their original shape. So, I'd like to emphasize the importance of following the instructions diligently to prevent any mishaps like the one I experienced. Start by placing the heel of your shoe on a towel and holding it in place with your hand. Or, if you prefer, you can wear your heels with thicker socks. Now, turn on the blow dryer, set it to medium hot, and aim it at the section of your high heels that needs to loosen up. Keep it going for about 10 seconds, but make sure to hold the blow dryer about a foot away. Be careful not to overheat the heels as it could damage the material. Repeat this process until you feel that the heel has stretched enough to comfortably wear without socks. It's a great trick, especially for those high heels that tend to rub against your heel and cause blisters. Always remember that if you can't do it yourself, you can always seek the assistance of a professional cobbler. Watch these videos to see why guys love girls in high heels